All right, so we've got the Ethan going up out here in Legacy Pines. Let's go take a look. Got the 3-car garage. Nice, good size covered front porch. It's a walkout, and you've got kind of 2 ponds back there. Now the agility course. Made it. So here you've got come in a nice little foyer area, mud room kind of type thing. Steps to go downstairs, steps to go upstairs, living room, dining room, kitchen will be back in here. Got a good sized pantry back in there. We'll have a half bath, another mudroom area. So this goes out to the garage. Looking out the back, you got 2 ponds, and then the entrance for the Rum River Park is right back in there. Take a look upstairs. Bedroom, owner's suite, owner's bath, good large walk-in closet, a full bath, and another bedroom.